Little Menti.
Hi there, little mentees. Welcome to our fun time adventure. Today, we are going to learn all about time. Do you know what time it is? Well, let's find out together. This is our friend, Tick-tock the clock. Say hi to Tick-tock. Hi, Tick-tock.
Hi, kids. Let's learn about time together.
Great. Let's start by learning about the minute hand and the hour hand. These two hands help us tell what time it is. Look closely. The long hand is called the minute hand. Can you say minute hand? Awesome! The short hand is called the hour hand. Can you say hour hand? Fantastic! Now let's talk about three important terms: quarter past, quarter to, and half past. These help us understand time better. Are you ready? Here we go. When the minute hand is on 3, we say it's quarter past the hour. That means 15 minutes past the hour. For example, if the hour hand is on 2 and the minute hand is on 3, it's quarter past 2.
Quarter past means the minute hand is on the 3.
When the minute hand is on the 6, we say it's half past the hour. That means 30 minutes past the hour. For example, if the hour hand is on 2 and the minute hand is on 6, it's half past 2.
Half past means the minute hand is on the 6.
Finally, when the minute hand is on the 9, we say it's quarter to the next hour. That means 15 minutes before the next hour. For example, if the hour hand is almost on 3 and the minute hand is on 9, it's quarter to 3.
Quarter to means the minute hand is on the 9.
Awesome! Now that we know about quarter past, half past, and quarter to, let's play a fun game. I'll show you a time on tick-tock, and you can tell me what time it is. Ready? Here we go. What time is it? Is it half past, quarter past, or quarter to? It's half past 3. Great job! What time is it? It's quarter past 4. Well done! What time is it? It's quarter to 8. Fantastic! What time is it? It's half past 9. You're doing great! What time is it? It's quarter past 10. Awesome! What time is it? It's quarter to 12. Excellent! What time is it? It's half past 1. You're a star! What time is it? It's quarter past 5. Fantastic! What time is it? It's quarter to 7. Well done! What time is it? It's half past 8. Amazing! Wow, you all did an incredible job. Now you know all about quarter past, half past, and quarter to. Remember, time helps us know when to do things like play, eat, and sleep. Thanks for joining me and tick-tock the clock today. Keep practicing and you'll become a time-telling expert in no time. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.